Today we are going to show you how to verify your account on Neteller. First, log into the Neteller website and using your credentials. Once you're on the dashboard page, find the Verification and Features section and click on the green Verify Account text. Next, you'll need to deposit funds into your account. Click the green Go to Deposit button, choose your currency, enter the amount you want to deposit, and then click the Select Payment Method button. You have multiple payment methods, but for this tutorial, we'll be using a credit or debit card. Fill in your card details and click Add Card. After that, click Continue, review the details, and check the first two boxes. If you want to join Neteller's loyalty program and earn points, check the third box as well. Click Add to deposit the funds into your Neteller account. Now, continue the verification process by clicking Verify Account. You'll need to upload a photo of your ID, take a selfie, and confirm the address you registered with. Click Verify Account to proceed. Next, choose your source of wealth, annual income range, and the primary intent of use. Click Continue. To verify your ID, you can either download the mobile app from the App Store or Google Play, or use a webcam to take photos. Finally, take photos of the front and back of your ID, along with a selfie. Biometric facial recognition will match your face with your ID photo. Congratulations, you've successfully verified your Neteller account. By making a deposit, verifying your account, and downloading the Neteller app, you unlock Neteller True Status, which lowers money transfer fees.